everyone. Today we're gathered here to discuss a critical aspect of establishing a successful dental practice, the location analysis. The choice of location can significantly impact your business's visibility, accessibility, and overall success. In this presentation, we will delve into the key factors that must be considered when evaluating potential locations. By analyzing these factors, we can identify the most suitable location for your dental practice and make informed decisions about your business's future. So here are the factors to consider for dental practice location. The first one is the population demographics. Understanding the age, income, and overall health of the local population is crucial. A location with a high concentration of your target demographics, such as families with children, elderly individuals, can increase potential patient numbers. Second is the competition. Assessing the number and types of dental clinics in the area helps determine the level of competition. While competition can be healthy, excessive competition might make it a bit challenging to attract new patients. And the third one is accessibility. The location should be easily accessible to patients. This includes factors like proximity to transportation bus, parking availability, and ease of navigation. And the last one is the growth potential. A location with a growing population and economic development indicates a promising future for the dental practice. This can lead to increased demand for dental services and potential for business expansion.
For the location A, it is located along Arcada 5, Highway Tipolo, Mandaue City, Cebu. For the demographic information, according to PhilAtlas, its population as determined by 2020 census was 15,790. This represented 4.34% of the total population of Mandaue. According to the 2015 census, the age group with the highest population in Tipolo is 20 to 24, with individuals 2,605 individuals. Conversely, the age group with the lowest population is 80 and over, with 82 individuals. Competition, there are about 6 dental clinics nearby in location A, but at the same time, it has a distance measures away from each other, except for one dental clinic that is also within or the same building for the location A. However, based on my research, this dental clinic within the building or same location A has a social media platform, but it is not active, no reviews nor patient testimonies posted as well. For the accessibility, location A is along the highway where the transportation is easily visible and accessible for jeepneys, buses, cars, taxi, motorcycles, and other vehicles. A dental clinic positioned in such busy area is likely to attract more patients than one in a less prominent or remote location. This would increase the number of appointments and greater potential revenue for the clinic. It has a Rose Pharmacy located in the ground floor within the building, which would be a lot easier to buy any needed for medication. And it is also easy to locate the place through Waze, Grab, or any kinds of navigation apps. And for the growth potential, location A is along the highway and may serve a more diverse patient base compared to clinics in residential neighborhoods. It can attract patients not only from the local community but also from the other cities as people travel along the highway. The area's ongoing growth and development, including new residential and commercial projects, further enhance its potential. As the population increases and infrastructure improves, the demand of dental service is likely to rise. Additionally, the highway visibility can boost brand awareness and make the clinic more accessible, catering to both daily commuters and long-distance travelers seeking convenient dental care. Next would be the findings. It has advantages and disadvantages. For the first advantages, we have the significant population, good accessibility, proximity to pharmacy, parking availability, and accessibility for PWD's patients. For the disadvantages, we have the high competition, direct competition in the same building, competition for resources, price competition, and difficulty in differentiation.
Okay, for location B, we have the Jenny's Arcade, Balamban. So the demographic info, according to the Phil Atlas, its population has determined by the 2020 census was 2,862. This represented 3.01% of the total population of Balamban. According to the 2015 census, the age group with the highest population in Aliwanay is 15 to 19, with 351 individuals. Conversely, the age group with the lowest population is 80 and over, with 26 individuals. Competition. So there are about 3 dental clinics nearby in location B. These 3 dental clinics has good reputations and has different specialties such as general dentistry, orthodontics, and cosmetic dentistry. Despite how not really far the distance of measures from location B, it can bring benefits or advantages from it. Through attracting new patients, meaning it can draw more people to that location, increasing the likelihood of walk-ins or referrals from other nearby clinics. Or dental clinics can refer patients to each other based on specialization, creating a collaborative environment. Having nearby dental clinics can foster a collaborative and competitive environment, leading to mutual growth, improved patient care, and increased business opportunities. Now, moving forward to the accessibility, the location B is along the main road located within the center of the town, making it accessible for any type of transportation. For the public transportation, it is easily accessible and available. Transportation includes tricycle, jeepney, and pedicab, and even when using navigation apps such as Grab or Waze. For good potential, location B shows a promising potential for growth and development, particularly because Balamban is the first class municipality with a substantial population base. The area's primary economic driver is the shipbuilding industry, which provides employment to approximately 12,000 workers. Over time, Balamban has experienced significant population growth, expanding from 10,603 residents in 1903 to 95,136 by 2020, a remarkable increase of 84,533 people over the 117 years. Additionally, the growing population and steady industrial employment suggest an increasing demand for local services, including healthcare and dental care. As the population continues to rise, driven by ongoing industrial activity and potential urban development, the area is likely to attract more businesses and infrastructure, further enhancing its economic landscape. This combination of factors makes location B a strategic area for both investment and expansion, particularly in sectors that cater to the growing needs of the community. Okay, so for the findings of the location B, so location B has both the advantages and disadvantages. The first one is the larger patient pool, rapid development, good transportation access, and the positive trend in dental care awareness. And for the disadvantages, we have the established competition, market saturation, economic dependency, and lastly, the overcrowding risk.
Next is the location C is situated at Natalio B. Bacalso Avenue, Tabonok, Talisay City, Cebu. For the demographic information, according to PhilAtlas, Tabonok is a barangay in the city of Talisay in the province of Cebu. Its population as determined by 2020 census was 17,522. This represented 6.66% of the total population of Talisay. According to the 2015 census, the age group with the highest population in Tabonok is 15 to 19 with 1,542 individuals. Conversely, the age group with the lowest population is 80 and over with 84 individuals. For the competition, there are 8 dental clinics in the vicinity. 4 of these clinics have received 5-star ratings. Although the location C is surrounded by other dental clinics, it stands out as an ideal spot for dental practice due to its prime location along the highway and ample parking space. Next, we have the accessibility. The location C is situated along the Natalio B. Bacalso Highway, formerly known as the Cebu South Road. Its prime location near South Town Center, Gaisano Tabonok Fiesta Mall, GB Hotel Talisay, and McDonald's Tabonok branch offers a strong target market. The convenience of having a bus stop and jeepney stop right at the location C, it ensures easy accessibility for patients. Additionally, there is ample parking space available for those arriving by car. And for the growth potential, location C, situated along the Natalio B. Bacalso Avenue in Tabonok, Talisay City, Cebu, presents a promising opportunity for dental practice. Its strategic location, coupled with the area's demographics and infrastructure, provides a strong foundation for success. The proximity to major amenities and transportation options ensures high visibility and accessibility. Additionally, the substantial population of Tabonok, including a significant portion of young individuals, indicates a strong demand for dental services. While competition exists, location C, prime location, and ample parking facilities can differentiate it from other practices and attract patients. Overall, the factors analyzed suggest that this location offers a favorable environment for thriving in dental practice. Next, we have the findings for location C. It has a advantages and the disadvantages. The advantages are high visibility and accessibility, proximity to public transportation and amenities, growing population, customization potential, and strategic position. Then we have the disadvantages, existing competition, infrastructure considerations, regulatory compliance, and initial investments.
So here's the visual representation of the similarities and differences between the locations A, B, and C. As we can see here, for the location A, there is a high population density, major thoroughfare location, proximity for high patient volume. And what makes location B unique is that there is a growing population, industrial area, potential for future development, and established clinics. And lastly, the location C, um, the prime location is along the highway. There is an ample parking space, proximity to amenities, and lastly, high competition. Now, I'll be also tackling about the similarities of both locations. So for location A and B, both have growing populations and potential for future developments. And for location A and C, both are in developed areas with good accessibility. And now, for the similarities of location B and C, is that they both have potential for growth and development. So that's what makes the tree location a suitable dental practice location. But let's move forward to the most suitable one.
For the analyzing the three locations, based on the provided data, location A, Arcada 5 in Mandaue City, Cebu, appears to be the most suitable location for dental practice. The key factors supporting location A, we have the population demographics, which the Mandaue City has a significant population, and the location A proximity to a major thoroughfare ensures a diverse patient base. The high proportion of young adults in Tipolo further suggests a potential market for dental services. We have also the accessibility. Its location along the highway provides excellent accessibility for various modes of transportation and making it convenient for the patient to reach. Next, we have the growth potential. The area's ongoing growth and development, including a new residential and commercial projects, indicating a promising future for the dental practice. And for the proximity to amenities, the presence of the pharmacy in the same building offers convenience for the patient. The challenges and consideration for location A, which is the competition, the existence of multiple dental clinics, especially nearby, could pose potential competition for patients. And also shared space. Sharing the building with another dental clinic might lead to competition for resources and potential patient confusion. And for the comparison to other locations, we have the location B. While Balamban has growing population, its smaller size and reliance on the shipbuilding industry might pose risk to the practice long-term sustainability. The presence of well-being established dental clinics could also make it challenging to attract new patients. For the location C, despite its favorable demographics and infrastructure, the high level of competition from 8 dental clinics nearby might make it difficult to stand out.
So overall, location A, which is located at Arcada 5 in Mandaue City, Cebu, offers a strong combination of factors that support the establishment of a successful dental practice. Its strategic location, favorable demographics, and growth potential outweigh the potential challenges posed by the competitions. By carefully considering the local market and developing a sound business strategy, a dental professional can thrive in this location. And that's it for our presentation for today, the location analysis of dental practice. Thank you.
Thank you.